Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to do reverse engineering of a scanned mesh file in Fusion 360. So first of all, we need to insert a mesh file, and here is our mesh file, which is a scanned model from a client. So I will import this into Fusion 360. Here are some settings which we have to adjust, like we need to keep it in center, and then from front view I will rotate it like to make it horizontal. I will keep it somewhat here, and on the top view it is looking nice, but I will adjust it later. So click OK. Now this will take time to load this mesh file because this is a high dense mesh file. Let's check it. Now I will go here, and now again I will adjust. As I can see that this is not adjusted, so I can see that it's approximately 2.2, and yes, now it's perfectly horizontal. And on the right side I have to put it like between 5 and 10, 8.5. Yes, good. Now our mesh is ready to sketch on this. So there are multiple methods, but this file has no thickness, so I will use, first I will try to create a mesh sketch. This is our body, and for the plane I will use this plane, and you can see that it is capturing the boundary. Let's check if it works. As there is no thickness, so it is hard to capture all the boundaries of this body, so I will use a traditional method in which I will go to solid, create sketch and top plane. We only need dxf file of this one, so I will use line command to draw a line like this, and I will adjust it accordingly, and again another line. Now I will try to match this boundary. This is a very easy and simple method with the help of which we can do reverse engineering. So I will keep this line here. Now it's looking good. Now I will draw a spline for this one. We can use again line because this is straight, but this is a bend from here because this is a old scan model. So I will use another line. This is the line, and I will adjust it here also. Perfect. Now I will trim these additional lines, and also for here I can see that there is a deviation, so I will again move it here. Yes, it should be here, and I will give a fillet, and approximately here 85. Enter. Now for this one, here is a line like this and this, and here is a fillet, and here is also a fillet, and then straight line, fillet, and then straight line. So I will create like that here. Actually this is a mesh file, so we have to do these things. There are other methods like geometric design X, which is specially designed for this, but this is not a solid body, or you can say that this has no thickness, so I will do like this. And from here I think approximately around here. Good. Now it is something like at this place. We can also use line for this work, but I think line is good. But there is a large difference, so I think I should go for spline. So for the spline, I will go like this one. and this is okay. Now I will move towards this curve area. Yes. Now this is adjusted. I have to move from here to here. Now trim the additional line like this and then create a fillet here. This is good, but I think there is a deviation in this line, so I will adjust it later. But I have to keep boundary straight, so this is good. No issue about this. And for this one, I can go like this one, and no, like this and this and this. I will extend this one. Now this is matching. Now I have to keep it like this and trim this line and make a relation tangent between this one and this one, and perpendicular constant between this one and, sorry, not like this. So I will adjust it around here and reduce this one about this, and almost done. Now our DXF file is ready for CNC. Now I can extrude this. Go to solid and extrude. I can extrude this, but not required because this is not the main work for client. And on the bodies, hide mesh file, and we can see that this body is ready for CNC. Thank you for watching.